I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. Heads up Android users. There's a new cyber trap in the wild, and it's got Russian fingerprints all over it. A fresh piece of Android malware is camouflaging itself as a legitimate antivirus app, bearing official-looking branding from none other than Russia's own Federal Security Service, or FSB. But surprise, the real target isn't Western users this time. This spyware is reportedly going after execs inside Russian businesses. Experts say it's cleverly designed to appear trustworthy, all while scooping up sensitive data straight off the devices. If you're in the habit of side-loading apps, maybe take a pass on that FSB-certified protection. Meanwhile, hackers have gotten craftier with a Go module that's been floating around since last year, but it's only catching serious attention now. Disguised as an SSH brute force tool, this module does more than test credentials. It steals them. Here's the kicker. The stolen login info is quietly sent to a Telegram bot in real time. Researchers are warning that this tool is actively being spread on hacking forums to lure unsuspecting users into becoming victims themselves. Reminder: if a hacking tool seems too convenient to be true, it probably comes with a backdoor straight into your system. Quick intermission for the power users out there. If you're really into security, or maybe just like poking around forensic environments, you've got to check out the Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com. This tiny titan packs 13 categories and over 50 bootable environments. We're talking about tools for hacking, data recovery, anonymous dark web browsing, and even some tasty retro gaming. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of tech, and it fits on your keychain. Links in the description, grab one while they're hot. Now back to today's cybersecurity chaos. In the never-ending dance between hackers and defenders, Telegram continues to be a favorite platform for cybercriminals. Whether it's drop points for malware payloads or notification channels for stolen loot, like we saw with that Go-based SSH stealer, Telegram's encryption is a blessing for privacy advocates and a playground for cyber crooks. Authorities around the world are tightening their focus on app-based data exfiltration techniques. And, yeah, encrypted messaging apps are now under the microscope. We'll be watching these stories closely, and I'll be back tomorrow with more tech hits and digital drama. Chip Sparks signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.